You done been in school all day, work all night, tryna pay them bills and buy things you like. Do it for them kids, tryna change their life. They don't know the
Grand Rising, kings and queens. Happy Tuesday. If you're into anything that in life, money motivation, queen of motivation, stuff like that, I am your girl. So hit the subscribe button. I'm Jazzii and this is my journey. I don't know if this is going to be a vlog today or if I'm just going to turn it into cleaning only today, because honestly I don't know what I'm doing today. It's Tuesday. We have a professional development day, so I did not have to go to work today. It is 9 o'clock. Just made my coffee. I'm about to throw some bacon in the oven and edit a video. My goal is to edit until 10, and then at 10 o'clock I'm gonna go to Wayfield to get something for dinner, Dollar Tree to get some white candles, and then hopefully to get my eyebrows waxed. I gotta see how tired my brother is. Well, he's fine. He get off work at 5 in the morning, and the kids behave when they're with him. So as long as they're still behaving, then I'm gonna do those things, because I don't really want them to wake him up unless there's an emergency. So yeah, that's that. I also have to do Rayne's hair, find the kids school clothes for the week. So those are today's priorities: Rayne's hair, editing, and the school clothes. And I'm hoping that I can record me cleaning my bathroom. That's the one. My journal?
Yeah. Wait, where is it?
Say hi to the vlog with your crazy hair.
Hi.
Come here. Rayne has oil in her hair because we did an oil treatment.
Hi.
That one's sticking out. I had them all pinned up like this. What a clip.
Oh,
okay, that's fine. Just please don't lose it, because mommy just got those.
Because mommy just got those.
Mommy just got those because we lost and broke all the other ones. So we need to try to keep up with them.
How did we lose all the other ones?
Mostly broke.
I see Raleigh but back.
We didn't really lose them. We mostly broke them. So I'm editing the first video of this vlog everyday series that I'm doing for the rest of the year, and it's crazy because I already had three videos prior to that have been posted before I even tell y'all that I'm about to be posting every day. So y'all have seen those videos already because this is a day way after those days, but sorry, not sorry. I started posting the videos to hold myself accountable before I posted this video, because I said it, so the idea was in my head and I already had the footage. I just had not edited it yet. Edited the previous footage yet. So now we are done editing the previous footage and we are on to this series now. And this is video number 1, which was on 3/7. 3/7, 3/8, 3/9, 3/11, 3/12, and then today is 3/14. So I have 6 videos for this series, and I'm so proud of me because my ultimate goal was not necessarily every single day, but at least 4 days a week. So far so good. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of me, and I'm really thinking that I'm gonna do 2 videos today. I'm gonna vlog today, and I'm gonna use a different memory card to do my cleaning video today. So that way that's 2 videos, because your girl gonna do it. Your girl is gonna make it. Grand Rising, handsome.
Stop.
How was your sleep? We just had some breakfast. Hold on. The kids had boiled eggs and bacon, and I had fried eggs and bacon. I'm about to make me some matcha. I'm gonna make iced coffee. No, I'm gonna make matcha. I got my cute jar. Daisha inspired. I don't know if y'all know Daisha View, but yeah. I like to mix my matcha in my shot glass with a little hot water. So let's get the hot water and the matcha. I use a baby fork. Let me put y'all on this side so y'all can actually see me. I use a baby fork. So my matcha is in here in the hot water, and then I just kind of dissolve it basically. I put too much water. It's okay. I need to get one of those little hand mixers. Never used it, gave it to my sister, and now I want to use it because that's how life works. Now I'm gonna get some ice, milk, and creamer. Then first I pour in my matcha. We're gonna mix a little more to make sure it's dissolved. Kind of play with it. I like to use the fork because I can like lift it up and see that it hasn't been mixed all the way. Then I can squish it with the fork because I don't have the thing. Or a tiny whisk. I don't have a tiny whisk though. That's it. That's how I make my matcha. I don't use a special matcha. This one is Mighty Matcha from Walmart. I don't really have a favorite brand. I just grab the ones I see when I'm at the store. Maybe I should have a favorite brand. I don't know. Now I like to blow bubbles to make sure it's mixed all the way.
What's that? The spicy stuff?
No. Green tea.
Mom, can we have this green tea?
No.
Can we try the green tea?
More like milk.
I like it.
You like it?
It tastes like chocolate milk.
This is milk, Riley. You're drinking milk.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. It's milk with green tea.
I hate milk. I hate more. Is this super easy to make?
Mm-hmm.
Can all you need is milk, green tea, and ice.
I added a little creamer for the sweetness.
I don't want this sweetness.
Stop.
Wait, does the sweetness help it not taste like milk?
Not really. Can you take that away?
Because it doesn't.
Anybody else kids turn their tablets and phones on as loud as possible and then sit on their lap? Turn it down, Rayne, before I take it from you. Are you gonna read your new book? That's what I said.
That's it. Good morning, sun.
Hello, honeys. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera. Ooh, the last time I picked it up, y'all saw me washing dishes. So since then, I have shampooed, detangled, deep conditioned, and braided Rayne's hair. Finished washing all of the laundry. Just put the last load in the, what's the thing called? Dryer. Just put the last load in the dryer. I put the hair stuff away, and I had already started. We went to the store. Dang! Before I washed dishes, we went to the store. I went and got some candles and some stuff for dinner. I'm making a roast. You can't really see it because my light is out right here. I still haven't replaced it, but I just tasted it, and let me tell y'all something. Your girl is a chef. But now I'm about to make my rice to go with my roast. I really need some cornbread and collards, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not going back to the store. So we're just about to make some rice to go with. Clean 90% of the kitchen. That's probably all I'm about to clean right now. And now I'm debating on whether I'm going to edit. Y'all looking at my neck. I am debating on whether I'm about to edit or if I'm about to clean my bathroom, because my bathroom and the kids' bathroom are both a mess, and I wanted to record me doing both of them today. It's 6 o'clock. I don't see that happening, because to clean my bathroom, it usually takes me about 30 minutes. To record cleaning my bathroom takes about an hour and a half. It's so pretty.
Mommy, I need help taking off my shirt.
Why?
You know, mess up my hair.
It's not gonna mess with your hair.
How? I have 2 shirts on mine.
Okay, take off one at a time. You want them to see your hair?
Yeah. Lower. Hey guys. I got a hair guys.
You gotta say it out loud so they can hear you, mama.
Hey guys.
Not that loud.
I got my hair done.
Ooh, turn to the other side. Ooh, turn to the back. Turn around. She got the bunny bun. All right. Oh, spin. Yes. That's because you're not supposed to be on that ass bike. What did you do? Hit your knee? I'm probably not gonna get a whole lot more footage today because I'm probably not about to do a whole lot more stuff today. I really don't think I'm about to. Gotta put the rice up. I really don't think that I'm about to clean the bathrooms right now. I really think I'm about to just edit. I already got the kids' clothes for the week. I'm really sleepy, like really sleepy. So I don't know. We'll see if I pick the camera back up. I'm watching Sunny, some stuff that I haven't watched yet. I got an Amazon order in. Why am I jumping around? I don't know. I had to order this because y'all know stuff don't come with bases no more. And then I got some screen protectors for my watch. I got Ryan some too. And then my phone will be delivered tomorrow to TT Money's house. I am excited. And then we trying to plan my birthday. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to do anything this year. I'm trying to figure out what Riley about to eat for dinner. I think I'm about to feed him somebody kneecap. Yes, Riley.
Do it for them kids tryna change their life. They don't know the grind tryna change your life.